Alright folks, it's March 15th, 2020 at 12 p.m. here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. And just a sky video today, just a sky video after the snowstorm we had last night. Woke up to some beautiful sunshine today, and I figured once I was done doing what I was doing, I would do a sky video. And we have our light provider doing its job up there. Not really warming things up, that's for sure. We got high winds still from last night, still carrying on. But all the snow that was falling last night, which was like 5 centimeters that actually fell, has either melted away or collected with the rest. Couldn't believe it when I came out last night and it was a snowstorm. And looking outside today, it's bright, very bright. Lots of cloud coming in. Some chem haze that's blowing through left over from the mainland. Yeah guys, so from snowstorm to a sunny day. Go figure. Mother Nature with her head in her butt. With that guys, I love you all, and I'm out.